Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We know that the United States Navy awarded Sikorsky a contract to build additional 9 CH-53K King Stallion heavy lift helicopters. This is something which has come in many defense sources and news websites. In this video, we will not be discussing anything about this particular news, but we would try to understand what makes these heavy lift helicopters so special, for which the US Marine Corps are so eager to induct them. The main intention to come up with the CH-53K heavy lift helicopters program is to generate and support a robust United States Marine Corps vertical heavy lift capability. These choppers would help in improving the lift and range capabilities, and not just that, these choppers would also improve the reliability and ease of maintenance. The main reason to acquire these CH-53K helicopters is to replace the CH-53E in the existing fleet. As mentioned before, let's quickly see what is so special about these choppers for which the United States Navy is planning to procure them. Let's begin with the general characteristics. The length and height of these helicopters with blades and tail unfolded are 30.2 meters and 8.6 meters respectively. The width of this chopper is 5.3 meters, and coming to cabin length, width and height, these parameters stand at 9.1 meters, 2.6 meter and 2.0 meters respectively. The internal fuel capacity is said to be 8,653 liters and internal aux fuel capacity is said to be 9,100 liters. Another vital feature for such a heavy helicopter is its unrivaled speed, lift capacity and maneuvering capability. The CH-53K can complete the most demanding mission requirements in less time with fewer sorties than other helicopters in its class. With a speed of over 315 km per hour and a range of almost 900 km, the CH-53K has the ability to get in and out of critical situations quickly and reducing the exposure of its passengers and crew in the most hostile environments. Coming to other unmatched benefits of these choppers, improved payload due to its 12% greater cabin volume is something to be highlighted here. If you see the capacity alone, these choppers can accommodate 30 passengers or troops or even 24 stretchers of 15,876 kg payload. These choppers have a center external load hook which can lift 16,329 kg weight and a fore and aft external load hook which can lift 11,431 kg of weight. The fuselage of these choppers are corrosion resistant, which makes it best suitable for marine environments. Even the rotor blades are all composite, which offers improved performance and corrosion resistance. The other feature to highlight here is the digital glass cockpit and fly-by-wire flight controls for reduced pilot workload and all-weather operations. Not only that, these choppers also have the integrated vehicle health management system which enhances the safety and supportability. These helicopters are powered using 3 General Electric T408 turboshaft engines with 7,500 shp power each. These engines provide increased power margin and performance as well. The CH-53K helicopters can be operated in desert heat, Arctic cold and everything in between. In high altitude and hot environments, the CH-53K can carry twice the payload of its earlier variants, allowing the missions to be performed faster, safer and more efficiently than ever before. Fully shipboard compatible with foldable blades and tail, this makes this chopper very special, and this automated blade fold takes in less than 2 minutes. Coming to the other feature is the aerial refueling, which is another boost for such a heavy lift helicopter. The CH-53K King Stallion successfully completed an air-to-air refueling test with the help of Lockheed Martin KC-130J aerial refueling tanker. The last feature which I would like to highlight is the design of these choppers, which has been done keeping the future in mind. The avionics and flight control systems are designed to accommodate future software upgrades, and its internal payload capability may be increased substantially in the future with relatively simple modifications. The CH-53K integrates the latest rotor wing technologies into a heavy lift helicopter for today and tomorrow. So that was a video to highlight and describe the most vital characteristics and features of Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion heavy lift cargo helicopter produced by Sikorsky Aircraft. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.